I'm Jonathan Gladding,
I'm Hassan Sulaiman.
and this is our pitch for the recirculating water test stand for the IEP series valves. So a little bit of background about the Lee Company. The Lee Company manufactures extend performance, high-speed dispensing, accurate flow metering, two-way solenoid operated valves, which perform consistently under high pressure and temperature conditions. In the recent times, the cube satellite industry has recognized the high performance of this valve in their propulsion applications.
Most of the leak company's internal long-term verification testing is conducted on gas systems, so we are to develop a testing unit to allow that type of testing using distilled water. We're to test up to 24 valves at 800 psi pressure and 3 gallons per minute. We're to run the test for 3 million cycles per test, and then we're to verify the actuation of each valve using a pressure transducer. Our original budget was at $10,000, but it has been extended to $15,000.
So here are some of our design components. Many of these components include files from the websites where we purchase the components. And these other design components are models that we created ourselves and 3D printed.
So this is our physical assembly right now. To give you an idea of the flow path of the water, this is the reservoir tank. It goes into a pump and into the accumulator tank. And then a pressure indicator gives us an idea of what the pressure is at, into a filter, and then into these two manifolds. And this is our pump switch. It uses two sensors to sense where the water level's at to turn on and off the pump.
And so for testing, we are going to flush the system out before we test it, and then we plan to test 12 valves at once for 500,000 cycles. And we would like to acknowledge Michael DiOrio, Mr. Kelly, and Dr. Orabi for their help with the project. Thanks for listening.